I was running through the shadows, heart cracked, carrying my shame. Every door I tried was empty, till I whispered out your name. I was drowning in the silence, cold nights heavy on my chest. Then your mercy wrapped around me, pulled me back into your rest. Allah, your love heals me. Every scar, every secret fear, you turn my pain into a prayer, till only you are clear. Allah, your love heals me. In every tear that hits the ground, you teach my trembling soul to bow. And I am safe when I am found. I have knelt on broken pavement, hands raised, nowhere else to go, saying, Ya Rahman, forgive me, let this tired heart come home. You replace my anger with surrender, old wounds softening in your light. When I fall towards you, and you guide me through the night. Allah, your love heals me. Every scar, every secret fear, you turn my pain into a prayer, till only you are clear. Allah, your love heals me. In every tear that hits the ground, you teach my trembling soul to bow. And I am safe when I am found. If I lose myself, remind me you are nearer than my breath. If I break again, rebuild me on your promise, not my strength. Allah, your love heals me. Every scar, every secret fear, you turn my pain into a prayer, till only you are clear. Allah, your love heals me. In every tear that hits the ground, you teach my trembling soul to bow. And I am safe when I am found. Allah, your love heals me.